a giant galactic hyperpulse is approaching our Earth. Maybe it's autumn. This autumn will bring an end to the tyranny of the planet from its clique and its reptilian patrons. Galactic Supernatural will release the truth by bringing some kind of changes. However, this will be good because it will mark the end of the false reality we're experiencing, said this author. It will be the beginning of the new reality of the Earth in the unified higher realm of consciousness. This autumn will lead to a new reality on the planet. The gates will open, separating it from the third dimension, and people will have the strange feeling that they will have moved somewhere else and the world will seem brighter to them. Eventually, there'll be complete collapse of the current financial system, where the concept of money will become obsolete because it cannot be related to the new reality. And this collapse will be connected with the unified higher consciousness and the new activated bright Earth that will emerge. No one will be able to suppress the free use of photon energy, and this will change our whole existence and complete our universal knowledge of education in one night. The people of the separatist civilizations of the interior of the Earth will introduce a technology that will remove all the radiation and impurities from the oceans. This technology exists and is ready to be used immediately. We're almost at the point of the most exciting experience we'll ever have. Those of us who are ready will see it as a huge miracle that we've been waiting for, and it suddenly appears in front of us, the most wonderful thing we expected to happen to us. This is from Nikos Castañas, Galaxy Superwares and the Coming Galaxy Super Palm. Galactic superstorms are made up of vibrating high-energy particles that can affect the Sun, Earth, and humanity in many ways that lead to profound change. Human consciousness itself is directly affected and leads either to the rapid evolution of an advanced world society or to a global self-destruction, as has happened in the past. Kindly support my Patreon account since YouTube has again demonetized my YouTube channel. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below. La Violette is Dr. Paul La Violette is a astronomer, and in 2006 in his book called Decodification, having to do with the pulsar messages, La Violette speculates that these pulsars were created by a highly advanced Type 3 extraterrestrial civilization. He says that they happen every 10,000 to 16,000 years. I'm translating from a Greek article for you. Type 3 extraterrestrial civilizations that understood how a galactic hyperpulse works, as well as its potential effects on solar systems and the universe. The Kardashev Type 3 culture is one that operates at the levels of the galactic energy scale, while a Type 2 culture can only act on an astral level, while a Type 1 culture can only act on a planetary level. This suggests that those in charge of the giant spheres in our solar system, sphere being alliance, are at least a Type 3 alien civilization, and giant spheres began appearing in our solar system in the late 1980s and remained on hold until 2011, when they began to activate. The spheres range in size from the diameter of the Moon to that of Jupiter. They were strategically placed to act as coordination bases for the galactic supernatural, both for the Sun and for humanity. If the sphere being alliance operation succeeds and frees the planet from the clutches of the Chimera Cabal octopus, then the mission of the blue-winged beasts, quote-unquote, superculture ends and they will leave, but they will continue the mission of liberating it, planet civilization type 2 and 1 belonging to the galactic light forces. This is according to Exopolitics and Bibliotheca Pleiades, translated for you from a Greek article. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support.